Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually format or reset your V8 cell light finder. So whenever you are facing any problem on your V8 finder and you would like to actually reset it to factory default and then get back in newer settings on it, all you got to do is to press on the menu on your V8 finder, and here you come to the tools. You have other options here. Come down to the tools, press OK on it, and as you can see on the screen, you have information, factory settings, USB upgrade, and other option over there. But the USB upgrade will actually open up whenever you have inserting a USB device. So you come down to the second option, which is the factory settings, and you press OK on it, and here it's requesting for the default password of the V8 finder. So all you got to do is to confirm with 4 zeros. So you need to type 4 zeros to proceed. And here it's asking whether you truly want to reset it to factory default. So you need to confirm with yes to proceed. And you wait for it to reset. Alright. So now you are done with it. Everything is gone. You need to go back. You will not find any program on the finder. As you can see, when you are pressing on the exit, no program on it. So all you have to do is to do your own settings to actually get back the newer settings on it. So you need to go back to the cell light installation to add or select your cell light and then add the transponder as well. Alright, so if you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You'll do absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.